Hello my students, how are you? We will complete all questions without using calculator, okay? To be clever in mathematics, don't use a calculator, okay? Okay, I advise you, okay? In this example, quarter of 4 power 20. Quarter of 4 power 20, we know 4 power 20 divided by 4. Quarter, it was divided by 4. Or 4 power 20 multiply 1 over 4. Or 4 power 20 multiply 4 power negative 1. So the result will be 4 power 19 because we multiplicative to base equal 20 subtract 1 equal 19. The multiplicative inverse of the number square root of 9 over 16 is, we know, square root of 9 and 16, it will be 3 over 4. So the multiplicative inverse is 4 over 3. Square root of 9 plus 16 equal 25. Square root of 25 equal 5. Don't distribute, okay? Don't distribute the root to about two term. You must find the result first and find the root about the result. The result will be 5. If x belonging to z, then negative x and negative x more than or equal to 4, then x will less than or equal to negative 4 by multiplicative negative. Don't forget this step. If you want to find the result, we must multiplicative by negative 1 and we must replace the sign, change the sign from more than or equal to less than or equal to. So x then x less than or equal to negative 4. X less than or equal to negative 4. If a fair die is touched once, then the probability of getting an odd number, we know odd number 1, 3, 5, 1 and 3, 5, 1, 3 and 5. Okay, we have 3 digit over 6, the result will be half. Complete each of the following. The additive inverse of the number 1 and 9 over 16, we have number in mixed number. We must convert from mixed number to improper. 1 times 16 equals 16 plus 9 equal 25. Square root of 25 equal 5. Square root of 16 equal 4. So the result will be 5 over 4. But he want to find the additive inverse. The additive inverse will be negative 5 over 4. Negative 5 over 4. We must change the sign about the result. Okay, about the additive inverse of the number. Square root of 9 over 25, it will be 3 over 5. We can convert from fraction to percent by multiplication 100 and divided 100. 3 over 4 multiply 100 all in brackets and write here percent here. 100 divided by 5 equal 20. 20 times 3 equals 60. So the result will be 60%. Question number 3. 3 times 4 subtract 4 divided by 2. We know 3 times 4 equal 12. Subtract 4 divided by 2 equal 2. Okay, this is order operation. Multiplication first. We know the step about order operation. Parenthesis first, exponent next, multiplication and division in the same step, addition and subtraction. If you get the nerve, first come, first serve. 12 subtract 2 equal 10. If the probability of the success units is 0.7, then the probability of the failure equal what? Equal 0.3. Okay, the probability of failure equal 0.3 because the probability of success here is 0.7. If x plus 9 equal 11, then the value of 7x equal. We must find the value of x first. X equal 11 subtract 9 equal 2. So x will be 2 and the value of 7x7 multiply 2 equal what? Equal 14. Question number 3. Solve the equation. 3 subtract 4x equal negative 5. Look at the paper here. 3 subtract, you want to find in the Q. Okay. 3 subtract rational number. You want to find the ratio in rational number. Such as that fraction. Okay. Or a natural number or anything, because n subtract about q and z subtract about q and integer number, it's true. Okay, we must move 3 from left hand side to right hand side. So negative 4x equal negative 5 subtract 3. Negative 4x equal negative 8. We can divide by negative 4 to find the result. Negative 8 divided by 4 equal 2, so the result will be 2. 2 belonging to rational number, so the solution set will be set of 2. Question letter B. Calculate the value of 7. Subtract 4 in brackets times 2 divided by 5 subtract 3. Its order of variation, parenthesis first, exponent next, multiplication and division in the same step, addition and subtraction if we get the nerve, first come first serve. We know 7 subtract 4 equal 3 times 2 divided by 5 minus 3 equal 2, and 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 divided by 2 equal 3. Okay. Find in Q the solution set of the inequality 2x plus 5 less than 5. It's inequality. Okay. Look at let's look at this step here in the paper. 2x plus 5 less than 9. We can move 5 from left hand side to right hand side. So 2x less than 9 minus 5 equal 4. We can divide it by 2. So x will be less than 2. We want to find n q. So the solution set will be x such that x belonging to q, rational number. Q refers to rational number, okay? And x will be less than 2. This is the result, okay? Okay. Another example. Two natural number, one of them twice the other, and their sum is 108. Find the two number. Let the first number will be x and the second number will be 2x, and their sum is 108. Then if we add x to 2x, the result will be 3x equal 108, and we can divide it by 3. Then x will be 108 divided by 3, 10 divided by 3 equal 3, and the remainder 1, 18 divided by 3 equal 6. So the first will be two number, the first will be 36, and the another twice of 36 equals 72. Question number 5a. Find the value of square root of negative 1 over 9 power 2. It will be 1 over 9 plus square root of 64 over 81. It will be 8 over 9. Subtract square root of 3 over 7 power 0 equal 1. Square root of 1 equal 1. So the result will be 9 over 9 1. Subtract 1 equals 0. So the result will be 0 about this example, okay? A box contains 4 white balls, 5 red balls, and 6 blue balls. A ball is drawn randomly from the box. Calculate the probability of the following events. Number 1, the drawing ball is red. We have 5 ball red, and all the ball was the sum of them. 4 plus 5 plus 6. 4 plus 5 equal 9. 9 plus 6 equal 15. The result will be 5 over 15. It will be 1 over 3. Question number 2. The drawn ball is white or red, or we will add the number of a ball is white and red, or plus, or it's meaning plus. White, how many ball white? 4. Plus how many ball red? 5 over total 50. So the result will be 9 over 50. We can sample set divided by 3. 9 divided by 3 equal 3. 15 divided by 3 equal 5. Choose the correct answer. Half of 2 power 10, it will be 2 power 9, because 2 power 10 divided 2 equal 2 power 10 subtract 1, because 2 in denominator power 1. And if we want to find the result about numerator and denominator and the base was similar, we must find the difference about numerator and denominator. So the result will be 2 power 9. 2 power 9, okay? Find in standard form 5, and we have behind it 4 0. It will be 50,000 equal 5 times 10 power n. So n will be, we can move the point from right hand side to left hand side by 1 2 3 4. So n will be 4 because we moved from right hand side to left hand side. The result will be power positive 4. Don't write negative, okay? Simplify 5 power 3 times negative 5 power 7 over negative 5 over 8. Okay, it's very easy. We must, first step, we must solve the symbol or the sign here. 5 power 3 multiply 5 power 7 because 7 can cancel 5 negative outside, and right here 5 power 8 because we can cancel this negative here because power was even number. It's okay, it's okay. We can write negative here. 5 power 3 plus 7 equal 10 over 5 power 8. The result will be 5 negative 5 power 2. Don't cancel this sign, okay? We must keep it behind the result. The result will be negative 25. Okay, goodbye my students. We will complete all examples in another video. Goodbye.